while loop is studied. Iteration statements you are learning. Second one, do while loop. While loop. Syntaxes. The while loop syntaxes. Now you check it online, students. Is it clear now? Now is it clear? Okay. Now do while loop syntaxes. Do after that statement. Do after that statement while condition semicolon. If more than one statement is there, do braces you can write statements close brace while condition semicolon. One statement is there without braces. More than one statement is there with braces. One statement is there braces. Say do while loop syntaxes. Only one statement is there without braces works. More than one statement is there, braces compulsory. Okay. Now do while loop. You observe here, first of all, directly enters into body of the loop. Here body of while loop. Body of do while. Body of do while. After this, condition checked. After this, condition checked. Condition. After this, control, if it is true, control comes to body of while loop again. Like this. See. One minute. See, first control comes to body of do while loop. First control comes to body of do while loop. Body of do while. After that, condition checked. After that, condition checked. The condition is going to return either true or false. Condition. If the condition is true, then again control comes to body of do while. Once if it is false, out of. False means out of do while. Right is on. True means again. Now directly it will enter into body of do while. After that condition checked. But yesterday while loop we have seen first condition checked. But here directly it will enter into body of do while. Is it over? Say control comes like this. Body of do while executed. After executing, condition checked, true. Then again body of do while, true. Condition true again. Like this it will rotate. Like this it will rotate. Once if it is false, out of. But what's the difference between while loop, do while loop is this body of do while loop is executed at least once. But while loop, after checking condition only, it is executed, true means. But here, without checking any condition, directly it will enter. That is the reason this body at least one time executed, compulsory. Condition is true means again also executed. But very first time, without checking any condition, directly it will enter into loop. That's what body of do while loop is executed at least once in this case. So execution flow you observe, control comes to body of do while. After that condition checked, condition true means again body of do while. Condition checked, again true means again body of do while, it will rotate. Once if it is false, out of. Okay. Just note on here. Here body of do while loop is executed. Here body of do while loop is executed at least once. Here body of do while loop is executed at least once. Here body of do while loop is executed at least once. Now see, now I'll give you examples. Open demo.java. See, integer a equal to 1 do. Here system dot out dot println a. After that, a plus plus. Here, a less than or equal to 10. If I write, see first a value 1, it will enter 1 printed. It will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. Then again it is printed. It will become 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. 3 printed. Like this up to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. 10 printed. It will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Then stop it. So here, after checking condition if it is true means again it comes here. Okay. Condition true means again it is executed. If it is true. Like this. So output is 1 to 10. Write this example. Output 1 to 10. The execution process, you remember. The execution process. So a value 1, it will enter 1 printed. It will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. Again 2 printed. It will become 3. 3 less than or equal to true. It is printed like that up to 10. 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Out of. So the body of do while loop executed until this condition becomes false. But one more point here. This body of do while loop executed at least once. At least once it is executed. Now I'll show you the difference between while and do while. One program output will be different also comes. Say if you write while loop 1 to 10, do while loop 1 to 10, same style working, same output coming. Now you observe file, save, command prompt, Java C demo.java, Java demo. Okay, 1 to 10. Now you observe what I'll do, just observe here int a equal to 1 while a less than or equal to 10. It is while loop. System.out.println a plus plus. Say a value 1, 1 less than or equal to 10 true, 1 printed. It will become 2. Again it comes here 2 less than or equal to 10 true, 2 printed. It will 3. Like this up to 10 printed. 10 less than or equal to 10 true, 10 printed. It will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10 false. So this is 1 to 10 printed. This is yesterday you have seen. Compilation, execution. 1 to 10 printed. Now what I'll do, just in the place of while loop, I'll write do while. What I'm doing, see, just a do. That while loop I'm writing here. Same conditions, same output. You observe that while loop, this is do while loop. Okay. Now, in this case, no difference. Now I'll show you the difference. You observe. Suppose int a equal to 5 while a less than 5. System.out.println a plus plus. What is output? What is output? no output. A value 5. 5 less than 5, false. Then it will come out. File, save. Here, no output. See, no output. Now, same code, do while I'll write. Now, what I do, I'll remove this. Now, I'll write do. Okay. Here, while a less than 5. Now, first a value 5. Do. It will enter. 5 printed. 6. 6 less than 5. False. What is the output comes? 5. But previous one, no output. Now, 5 is output. Difference is there, no? So the body of do will executed at least once. Write this one. This output 5. This output 5. Suppose if you write int a equal to 5 while a less than or equal to less than 5, system dot out dot println a plus plus. This output is no output. It is no output. So while loop, do while loop. Difference. Here, first body of do while executed, after that condition checked. Here, first condition checked, after that body of while loop executed. That is the reason difference. Is it over? So int a equal to 5. Int a equal to 5. Do open brace. It will enter. 5 printed. It will become 6. 6 less than 5. False. Stop it. So output is 5. Here int a equal to 5. 5 less than 5. False. Out of. No output. Okay. So here output 5. Here no output. But you observe, same I written. Int a equal to 5. Int a equal to 5. Here a less than 5. Here a less than 5. Here system dot out dot println a. Here system dot out dot println a. Here a plus plus. Here a plus plus. Same I written, but output is different. Because without checking condition, it will enter into loop. That's what it is once, at least once executed. But here after checking condition, if the condition is true, then only it will enter. That's what no output. Okay. Now, while loop you studied, do while loop you studied. Now next test, second test. Now, already told sudden test will be there. Now 10 questions are there. 10 questions. Uh, 10 questions are there. 10 minutes time. Okay, 10 questions are there. 10 minutes time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 questions are there, 10 minutes time. If compiles and executes, output your right. If any error is there, just write error. If compiles and executes, write the output. If any error is there, write error. Online students, you write your answers in notebook only, don't write in chat box. Online students, write your answers in notebook only, don't write in chat box. You're not visible properly. Start 10 minutes time, 6:32 up to 6:42. If compiles and executes, write the output. If any error is there, write error. 10 minutes time. No discussions, no discussions. Whatever you know, that is write it. Don't discuss with your friends. You feel like a written test, you feel like an interview, that type only. Don't open previous class notes. And don't discuss with your friends. You're not listening. Don't discuss with your friends. This is only for understanding your status. That's what don't discuss with your friend. If you discuss with your friend, if you write answers, your status you cannot understand. This is only for understanding your status. Your status will get it. Whatever you know, that is write it. This is only for understanding your status. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen, but write. Don't discuss with your friend. If you discuss with your friend, if you write answers, no use. You cannot get your status. Each and every character you have to observe. Each and every character you have to observe. If error is there, write error. You 3 members not listening. You 3 members, you are discussing and writing notes. No use. Writing exam is waste if you do like that. What you after discussing, what you will do? You 3 members will write same answers. Then you will not get your status. If you discuss with your friend, you will not get it your status. No use. Writing exam is waste. Online students also, everyone try to write. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. Try to write. Everyone should write. 6-1. What is your doubt? Is it doubt or asking a answer? Whatever it may be, right, wrong is there, write it output. Error, write it. If wrong is there, error, write it. Output is there, output, write it. Don't discuss with your friends. You will not get it your status. This exam only for understanding your status. If you discuss with your friend, your answers, your friend answers, same answers you will write. At last, you will not get your status. Your friend also will not get his status. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. 4 minutes left. 8 minutes over. 6 minutes over. 4 minutes left. Four minutes left. It is possible to finish in 10 minutes. It is possible. Each and every character you have to observe. Each and every character in code snippets. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Three minutes left. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left. This is a test only for getting your status. That's what your status you cannot understand if you discuss with your friend. That's what don't discuss. One minute left. 1 minute left. One minute left. Time is over. I'll explain. Time is over. Now I'll explain. What happened? You want to take photo on this? Take. Now. Now. See, first one. It is byte A equal to 10. Listen with more concentration. Byte A equal to 10. Short B equal to 3. Now, A byte type. B short type. Byte plus short result which type? Integer. So integer assigned to integer. It is valid. So output is 13. Okay. Next. Int A equal to 3. Float B equal to 4.24 F. Int C equal to A plus B. Now A int type. B float type. Result which type? Float type. Float to integer. Is it comes under 19 conversion or 23? 23. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, error. So it's an error. Third one. Char A equal to A. Int B equal to 3. A which type? Character type. B which type? Character plus integer which type? Integer. Integer to float. It is 19 conversion. Valid. So valid. So A value 97. 97 plus 3, 100. Here what will be stored in float? 100.0. 100.0 explicitly converted to integer. Then again what will happen? 100. 100 assigned to D, integer. Here 100. Here 100 which type actually? Integer. Integer converted to integer. Integer assigned to character. Integer to character. Is it in 19 or 23? 23. That means error. It's an error. Now, fourth one, Boolean. Boolean A equal to true. Boolean plus 1. Boolean plus 1, error. Fourth one, error. It is not possible. Fifth one, float A equal to 3.4, 3.24 F. Float B equal to 7.26 F. Float plus float. Float assigned to double. Comes under 19. Valid. Then what is the output? 6 plus 4, 10. 5. 8.5. 10.50. 10.50. Next, char. This char, is it valid? Valid, because capital letter I given here. It is valid. Char equal to A, short equal to 1, int equal to valid. So it is character plus short. Character plus short result? Integer. Integer assigned to integer. It is valid. So 65 plus 1, 66. Seventh one. Char A equal to A. First line, is it valid? Is it valid? Not valid. Double quotes are there. Double quotes not valid, no. Double quotes is string literal. So it's an error. Seventh one, error. Now underscore dollar underscore, is it valid? Valid. Dollar underscore dollar, valid. Only dollar, valid. All are valid. So it is int type. It is byte type. Integer plus byte, integer. Integer assigned to integer, valid. 5 plus 3, 8. Now A underscore B, is it valid? Valid. C underscore D, valid. Byte plus short result, integer assigned to integer. So 30. Now Boolean true equal to false. Is it valid? Valid. System.out.println true. What is output? False. Now check it your marks. First online students, how many marks you got it? Just respond. Online students, you check it your marks. How many you got it? Respond. Okay. Those who got less marks also no need to worry, just respond. Okay. Now, how many people got 10 out of 10? Just raise your hand. 10 out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers. Online students, 10 out of 10. Okay. 9. How many people got 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 23, 26, 28. Online students? Okay, 33, 34. Next, how many got 8? 1, 2, 3. Okay, majority people got 8. Here, online students, 8. Okay, online also, 8, 9, many people got it. Okay. Remaining people, you practice. Okay, lots of practice required. So, 8, 9, 10, okay. Remaining people, you have to practice. Now, see, this is type conversions and operations only is there. Operations on data, type conversions only. See, next for loop. Note down. For loop, syntaxes, for initialization expression, semicolon, test expression or condition. You can call it as test expression or condition, both are same. Semicolon, updation expression. Open like statements, only statements, one statement is there. Second one, for initialization expression, test expression, updation expression, braces. If more than one statement is there, braces. Initialization expression, test expression or condition, updation expression, statement. See, only one statement is there without braces works. More than one statement is there, compulsory braces you have to write. Otherwise, one statement belongs to for, one statement not belongs to for. It is out of like that. If you don't write braces. So braces, semicolon, these all you have to take care. Now, initialization expression, test expression, updation expression. So in previous programs also, we written these three. Int a equal to 1 we written. That is nothing but initialization. Like a less than or equal to 10 we written. That is nothing but condition test expression. A plus plus we written. That is nothing but updation. A incremented. Updation. So in previous program also these three concepts are there. But it is outside the while loop, inside the while loop was there. Now all in a one place here. Okay. This is how it is executed. You observe. First, is it over? See here. First initialization expression executed. After that, update test expression executed. See first initialization expression executed. After that, test expression executed. If it is true, it will enter. And this part executed. After this, updation part executed. Again, test expression. Again true. It is repeated. When this is false, out of. Okay. Say first initialization expression executed. Next test expression executed. True means this is executed. After that, updation. Again test. Body. Again updation. It will rotate. Once if it is false, out of. So for this flowchart, I'll give. Say first of all, initialization expression executed. Just I am writing IE. After this, test expression. Nothing but condition. I'm writing TE. After this, true means body. Okay, this is, we should write like this. Now, test expression. If it is true, body. Body of fur. After body of fur, updation. Updation. If it is after body of fur, updation, after that again test expression. This is false means out of. Write this one, I'll explain. Out of for loop. So by this Saturday, Java fundamentals will finish by this Saturday. So it is equivalent to C language. Monday onwards, actual Java begins. Monday onwards, you need to put more efforts, more than this. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Actual Java begins Monday. These are just like a C language. C language also same these all. See, for initialization expression, test expression, updation expression, open brace. Now listen with more concentration. First, Write this one. This diagram is over. Now I'll explain. You observe. Say control comes like this. Control comes like this. Initialization expression executed. So this is executed. Okay. Control comes like this. First initialization executed. After initialization, control comes like this. Test expression executed. So after this is executed. This expression is going to return either true or false. True means it will enter. False means out of. Suppose true. Suppose it is true. True. It is executed. True means body of for. This is body of for. Executed. After body of for loop, updation expression. So after this comes here. Updation. Okay. After updation, again control comes to test expression. So again from here test expression. Again it is going to return either true or false. True. It will enter. Body of for. Updation. Again test expression. Body of for. Updation. Again test expression. True. Body of for. So this will rotate. This will rotate. Okay. Once if this condition is false, out of for. Suppose it is false, then out of for. If it is false, so it is out of for loop. If you want, you can write this one also. This execution process also, if you want, you can write. So either flow chart or write this one also. If you want, you can write this one also for understanding. This is a way of execution. First initialization, after the test expression. If the test expression is true, body of for loop. After that updation, again test expression, it will rotate until that becomes false. Is it over? Say control comes like this. Control comes like this. Initialization expression. Listen with more concentration. See, if you are giving wrong answer means you are not listening properly. If you are giving wrong answer means you are not listening properly. That's it. Listen with more concentration. Initialization expression. After that test expression. True. It will enter. Body of for loop. After that updation. Again test expression. True. Body of for loop. Updation. Again test expression. Body of for loop. Like this it will rotate. Once if it is false, it will come out. So initialization expression. See, initialization expression, test expression, true, body of for loop, updation. This will come. Again test expression, true, body of for loop, updation. Like this, it will rotate. Once if it is false, out of. This is execution process. Okay. Now, is it over? Now, here I'll give example. You observe. Here for integer a equal to 1, this is called initialization expression. A less than or equal to 10, it is called test expression. A plus plus, it is called updation expression. Here system dot out dot println a. Now first what will happen? See, a value 1, a less than or equal to 10, 2. Then it will print. 1 printed. After printing, it will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. 2 printed. It will become 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. True. 3 printed. Like this up to 10 printed. It will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Stop it. File. Save. Compilation. Execution. See 1 to 10. Write this one. Now these all very basics I'm asking. A little bit complicated also I'll ask after completion of loops. While loop, do while loop, for loop. All again I'll ask tomorrow. This is called initialization expression. This is called test expression. It is true means body of for loop. After that, updation. Again, test expression. Like this. Like this, it works. Okay. Now, is it over? This program only different types we can write. I'll show you. You observe. Now, what I'll do, see, observe 1 to 10 printing. Listen with more concentration. Some people are not listening. Now, this is for loop. Here, initialization expression. After that, test expression. True means body. After that, updation. Again, test expression. Again, body. That is, it will rotate. Now, this program, different types we can write. You observe. I'll open brace, I'll write. Here I'll write close brace. Now also output 1 to 10. Same. No change. See, compilation, execution. 1 to 10. Now what I'll do, you observe. This updation part, I'll write inside the for loop. Here I'll write. Now also same. Okay. Now also you'll get a same output. No change. See, now this initialization part I'll write outside. Int a equal to 1. It is also same. It is just equivalent to while loop, you observe. Which one? The semicolon is compulsory. The semicolon, if you remove, syntax error comes. Okay, semicolon is compulsory. Here semicolon compulsory. Here semicolon compulsory. If you remove semicolon, error, syntax error. See, if I remove semicolon, it's syntax error. What is it? Now, semicolon you should not remove. If you remove, error. Okay. Now, here semicolon compulsory. Here semicolon compulsory. Now, you'll get output 1 to 10. Okay. Here 2 semicolons compulsory. Now, a value 1. Okay. See, it is just equal to while loop appears. While loop, will write int equal to 1 outside, you'll write while you'll write a less than or equal to 10, you'll write. Okay. Initialization part outside the while and updation part inside the while. That type I written. Now it is valid, but semicolons compulsory here. Okay. See, here you observe int a equal to 1 while a less than or equal to 10. Here system.out.println a plus plus. System.out.println a plus plus. You observe. Now like this only appears, no? See this one you observe, almost same style appears. Almost same style appears, but semicolons extra. It is for loop, it is while loop. Like this also we can write, valid. Write this one also. So 2 semicolons compulsory. If you remove, syntax error. Any doubt? Instead the A++. We can write already given examples. Plus there, I'll give my examples, I'll give. Just syntax I given. One example I given. Is it over? See, int a equal to 1, int a equal to 1, a less than or equal to 10, a less than or equal to 10, system dot out dot println a, same style written, like a while loop. Okay. Now is it over? While teaching, if we discuss, attending class is wasted. While teaching, if we discuss, then attending class is wasted. That's what wrong answers coming. If you listen with more concentration, every question you can give right answer. It is possible. Listening highest priority as compared to notes. Notes is nothing. Already given example. It's a language. Listen and speak. You'll get a language. Reading, writing, nothing later. Reading, writing, not important. First, listening and giving answer is important. With that only, you'll get a language. Okay. Is it over? Now you observe here. This is for loop. Okay. Now already you studied yesterday. Different types you studied. For loop, integer a equal to 1, a less than or equal to 10, a plus plus, system dot out dot println a. What is output? This one 1 to suppose here semicolon. Now give me answer. If you write semicolon, what will happen? You already studied. Give me answer. No output. 11, 12. Error. Any other answer? 11. See, your answers I'll write. Option A, error. Option B, 11. Option C, 12. Option D, no output. What are any other answer is there? Any other answer? Any other answer? Your answer is not there, give me, I'll write. If your answer is not there, give me, I'll write. 10. One more answer, 10. Okay. Next. Any other answer? Your answer is there or not, check it. If your answer is not there, give me a right. One more answer. See, if you are giving different answers, means you observe that you are not listening properly. First, listening is missing means different answers comes. No, actually, these are just C language type only. In object-oriented programming, how many answers comes, I don't know. Like it will be like this now only. Monday onwards, I think 20 answers also will give. Now, how many people answer error? Just raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 members error. Online students. Okay, 17, 18, 20. Okay, 22 members, 23. So 33 members error. Now, first, why error? You selected only uniqueness purpose you selected. What purpose you selected? Error. On what basis you selected? That is error. Already many times I told semicolon nothing but it is empty statement. Semicolon nothing but empty statement. I said no. So error is wrong, no? It is nothing but like this. Like this. It is outside the for loop. That is inside the for loop. Semicolon valid. Already told. I told no. Already if while teaching if also I taught. While teaching while loop also I taught. Now while teaching for loop. Same concept, no? But see, nearly 30, 40 members selected. Online, offline. Now, this semicolon treated as empty statement. Already explained. Now, it is nothing but like this. It is inside the for loop. It is outside the for loop. Okay. Now. Now. Okay. Error is wrong. Next. How many people answer 11? Okay. Majority people 11. Online students. Okay. Online also majority people 11. Okay. Next. How many people answer 12? 12. Okay. 3, 4, 7, 9, 10, 11. Online students. Next. How many people answer no output? No output. One person, no output. Online students, 3. You observe, is it inside the for loop or outside the for loop? Outside the for loop. Definitely executed, no? But I will get output. Next. How many answer 10? 10 no one is there. 10 one person. Online students. Okay. Next. How many answer 1? 1 also selected, no? No. One person selected. Okay. No. Okay. See. Execution process you already studied. Now, first what is executed? A equal to 1. Next. 1 less than or equal to 10. True or false? Then what is executed? Semicolon executed. After that, A plus plus. It is nothing but like this. It is nothing but like this. Now, A value 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. Semicolon executed. After that, 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. Semicolon executed. 3. Like this, 10 less than or equal to 10. True. semicolon executed. 11 less than or equal to 10. Then system dot out dot println a. So output is 11. 11 is the right answer. File, save. That 1 minute. This is in Java language. Java language. This is required in C language, like that works. Why that is? Object oriented programming I have to explain, not completed. Now, that object oriented programming variable scope is there. That is I didn't explain till. See, compilation, execution, 11. Okay. That is variable scope concept is there. That is object oriented programming. Object oriented programming related. Write this type 11. Variables I didn't explain. That is later. That related error. Write this one. If you write here, the scope concept is there. Scope concept till I didn't explain. Block variable, instance variable, class variable, local variable, method parameter. This concept I have to explain. That is Monday onwards comes. That's the reason error that is. Now, write this one. Output is 11. Scope related concept till I didn't explain in Java. That is Monday onwards object oriented programming, that is. Because it is class also I didn't explain till. That is object oriented programming. Main method also I didn't explain. Object oriented programming. This A writing here and here also different. That is also object oriented programming. System dot out dot println and also object oriented programming. Till I didn't explain about these all. Okay. Now A value 1 less than or equal to 10 true semicolon. Next 2 less than or equal to 10 true semicolon. 10 less than or equal to 10 semicolon. Then 11 less than or equal to 10 false. Then 11 printed. Okay. Now I'll ask some more questions. Give me answer. Is it over? Now, for loop, integer. Okay, integer I'll write outside. It is better. Int a equal to 1. A less than or equal to say a equal to 5. A less than or equal to 13. Okay. Now a less than or equal to 13. A plus equal to 5. System dot out dot println a. What is the output? A value 5. A less than or equal to 13. A plus equal to 5. Think yourself and you answer. Error. Okay, error. 5. 5, 10. Any other? 5, 10. Updation expression. It is going to be updated. A plus C. That is not compulsory to write plus plus only. A plus equal to 5. That means A equal to A plus 5. It is updated. What is output? 5, 10. A value 5. 5 less than or equal to 13. True. 5 printed. After printing 5, it becomes 10. 10 less than or equal to 13. True. 10 printed. After 10. 10 plus 5. 15. 15 less than or equal to 13. False. Then stop it. So output 5, 10. 5 and 10. Okay. Write this one. You write right. End of the session else. Output 5 and 10. Note down. output 5, 10. So output 5 and 10. Is it over? So first A value 5. 5 less than or equal to 13 true. Then 5 printed. It will become 10 because A plus equal to 5. Arithmetic assignment operator. A plus equal to 5 meaning A equal to A plus 5. It will become 10. 10 less than or equal to 13 true. 10 printed. It will become 15. 15 less than or equal to 13 false. Stop it. Suppose int A equal to 5 for question mark A less than or equal to 8 here system dot out dot println plus plus A. What will be the output? Six, 7, 8. Any other? 6 to 9. Okay. 6 to 8, 6 to 9. Any other answer? Six to 8, 6 to 9. Any other answer? Six to 9, 6 to 8. Okay. Six to 10. Okay. Six to 8, 6 to 9, 6 to 10. Any 5 to is there? Now, how many people answer 6 to 8? What I meant 6 to 8, 6 to 8 said? No, change your answer. Okay. 4, 5 members only. Online students? Okay. Next, how many people answer 6 to 9? So majority 6 to 9. Okay. Online students? Next. So majority people 6 to 9. Next 6 to 10. 1, 2. Only 2 members. Online students? Okay. See. First, what is executed? A value 5. 5 less than or equal to 8. True or false? True means it will enter. 5 less than or equal to 8. True. But what is printed? 6 printed. It is pre-increment. Okay. 6. 6 less than or equal to 8. What is printed? 7. 7 less than or equal to 8. What is printed? 8. 8 less than or equal to 8. 9 printed. 9 less than or equal to 8. So stop it. So output is 6 to 9. File save. Compilation execution. Okay. 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Write this program. 6 to 9. We'll see continuation tomorrow.